Hello guys, welcome back on Meltflex. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have an empty room, you want it to be office space. So all you have to do, you have to just take a photo of the room. So let's say this is the empty room that we want to have office inside. Let's go with the room type. So let's select office space, let's select the style. So we want it to be modern, and let's select the color palette. So let's go with this black and white, and also the budget, so it will pick the furniture that's within the budget of the room. Now we will wait just a couple of seconds and we will get redesign this space as an office. So there will be like office table, office chairs, or anything that you would actually need in office space. So let's wait, and here we have it. This is the room before, as you can see, and this is the room after. So it added some shelves, it added some tables, some chairs, and it also did it within the colors. For example, if we are already interested in this kind of design, in this kind of a chair, we can actually buy that kind of design. So let's say we like this kind of a lamp as a furniture piece. Let's go to this lamp. It recognizes that there is this lamp. Let's click other stores. And right now we will find different alternatives for this kind of lamp. So as you can see right here, this is available within your country. So if you're designing from America, Australia, the furniture brands that will be shown here are within your country. So you can actually compare the prices. As you can see, this one costs 14 euros, this one costs 40 bucks. You can see it's pretty similar, and you can save some money on this. So this is actually really useful if you're designing like whole flat or just the office space or anything. Let's say, for example, we are not satisfied with the style of this bedroom. So let's, for example, say we want some different mood boards. So I want this to be designed in a Scandinavian style. And also let's say we have some mood board that we like. So let's go Scandinavian mood board. So it will also have materials within it and so on. Let's go with this one. So let's say we have a whole flat design like this, and let's just give it here as a reference picture, as in reference picture. Sorry about the typo, it doesn't matter that much. As a design this space as an office space, yeah. This space, as an office space. No, what's wrong with me today? And let's go with the badge upload. So we will generate 3 different variations of this space in the Scandinavian style in exactly this kind of a mood board. So again, this is the mood board, as you can see right here, and let's see what we will get. And regarding the furniture pieces that you want to buy, you have all others available here. You can see the shelf, you can see the lighting, it's right here. And you can actually find it like this pretty easily. One free generation is available on MeltflexAI.com, so you can try it, and if you like it, you can redesign your whole office space like this. So here are the different variations that we actually got. So let's go through them. So I think the most reasonable one is this one. So it actually took all the pieces that you can see right here and designed office space like this. So it's like in this neutral color palette, in a wooden kind of a style. And you can see the chair right here and so on. You can also see the table. Let's, for example, say I want a different kind of chair and table. And let's try 2 different variants. Let's go black and white. And you can easily type things that you want to have designed like this in the prompt window, and it will give you the generations. It will also give you multiple generations if you ask it to do that. So just as I said, it's super simple. Take a photo of your empty room, try it out. It doesn't cost you anything. Free generation is available, and you can get some ideas inside your head or on how you could actually design the space, because it's pretty hard to imagine the furniture if you cannot see it inside the space, and interior designers are expensive, and that's why we build a MeltflexAI for homeowners, for people that want to design their spaces. Ciao.